The Drive On dual dash cam. Isn't it any good? Well, since me standing here holding a box would be boring, and I've already installed it in my vehicle, literally took like 5 minutes to install, came with an 11-foot cable, came with a pre-installed 16 gigabyte SD card. But since me standing here holding a box would be boring, let's go ahead and let's hop into the truck and let's go see how well she films during the day and how well she films during the night. And maybe I'll talk about some specifications in the truck, providing you can understand what I'm saying. If not, we'll just come back into the studio and wrap this bitch up. So jump.
The only thing I'm curious about right now is, can this thing clearly see a license plate? Now, I need to do it in a way that I'm not going to get brake checked. Because with a wide-angle lens on a camera, you can't really see up close to somebody unless you're right up their ass. And I don't really want to freaking tempt fate with this Ranger up here because they got better brakes than my truck does. Because it looks like I'm at a distance, but I can pretty much pit maneuver that Ranger at the distance that I'm at right now.
Well, if you made it this far in the video, that's awesome. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. They probably glowed down on the bottom of the screen unless you're watching this on a TV. But obviously that video quality there was crap. But you might ask yourself, well, I had a rear-facing camera. What does that look like? Well, here's a clip of that. But for the sake of posterity, let's wait until the sun goes down. Let's go test it at night. Even though I think it's probably a waste of time. Anyhow, here you go.
Alright, let's see if you can even see the license plate of the car in front of me. Not like creepily stalking anybody or anything, I'm just saying that it's not feasible with this camera.
And a quick little shot from the rear view camera. So what more can I say about this $40 camera other than I think it's kind of a little bit of a ripoff? Is that the rear-facing camera at night, it has IR lights, but you can only see a faint glow of it on the mirror. It obviously didn't light up the back seat of the truck, and all you can see if there was a car behind me was headlights. The front-facing camera, you know, I mean, like, okay, it's a dash cam. It records things that are going on around you while you're driving. That's good. But the fact that it can't pick up, it isn't clear enough to pick up a license plate. Like, let's say someone clips your front bumper as you're going through traffic, and then they just take the fuck off, and you're in a little shitbox car, and it won't, and you can't run somebody down with it. It's happened. I don't exactly know why you would spend a little bit more money on a better camera. I mean, like, I'm pretty sure that Cobra makes better cameras. Pretty sure that the other brand, the Source or whatever the hell they have over at Walmart's probably better. I'm going to say this is crap. I didn't test the impact detection in a parking lot because I didn't really feel like running into my truck. But for $40, I'm going to say this is crap. But it does work. But for how long? Because I found with these cheap dash cams is they put batteries in them, usually lithium ions when they should put lithium phosphate batteries in them. And then they sit in the sun. It's like 170 degrees in your car, and the battery explodes, and they don't work anymore. But other than that, I'm just kind of rambling on at this point in time. I'm Spaztastic. You're watching SpaztasticTV. Put a video up there. Put a video up there. Put a little subscribe thing down here. And if you made it this far, I just wanted to say thank you. But go ahead and check out these other videos. They're also things.